Hi guys, the day is here, Pleatlympics 2024. If you've been following along in the groups, I kind of did something crazy silly, which was Shelly started doing pleats, like picking up her paint and then making pleats with it. And then August started doing it too. And I was like, oh yeah, guys, you think you're so good? Look at this thing. And I'm gonna plate with it. And they're like, okay, challenge is on. And I'm like, wait a minute, I was just joking. So what I did was, because there was a big lip, I filled it with resin and I made it really heavy, which wasn't smart, but this is what we are doing today. We are filling it with paint. We're gonna pleat it. Luckily, on my team, we have Tiffany from Willie B Studios. She's amazing. All the links will be in my bio, and you have to vote, obviously, for my team. So I was thinking of doing a really beautiful ocean colors on a black background. And I was having some problems thinking of what colors to use. First of all, I'm gonna be filling up these with paint because I need to fill this thing. I'm gonna be making my paint a little thinner. But so far, the colors I've come up with is Payne's Gray, Phthalo Turquoise, and then a bunch of blue pigments. Okay, piggies. We have Velvet and Ore, we have Sapphire Mermaid, and Sea Glass. But my problem is, there's a brand from Australia that I really love that does like really beautiful blues. It's called Holcroft. And no other company does these like, they have so many varieties of light blues or whatever. And you need an Australian friend to come and bring you these paints because you can't get them in North America. So look who came to deliver me Holcroft paints. It is my servant, my Australian servant, Mitch from Rain and Pours. Now, luckily, not only did he bring me paints, but he's bringing his knowledge and expertise of everything painting. And now the other team, Shaleroy, is going down because I have the smartest paint guy in the world, and we're about to pleat with gorgeous blues. So let's get to work. Okay, we did it. It was ugly, but we learned some things. Number one, the lesson we learned was I'm gonna do more of like how I do the watercolor blooms with transparent paints and mostly piggies, because the layers just looked too hectic and crazy. The pleats looked nice. Number two, I'm not gonna use Cell Activator, most likely, because they just get wonky and yucky anyways. And many videos ago, I did like swipes actually with a paintbrush. It was really cool. I don't know, maybe I'll paint something. What else did we learn? Less paint, because I wanted originally to have negative space, but I put so much paint in my thingy that I didn't have negative space. So we're doing less paint. What else did I learn?
So yeah, less paint because the colors started pouring out of the dustpan before we even got to tilt it. So less paint.
All right.
Let's just go for it.
Let's do it.
Why not?
Okay, so you can see that she's wet from the last pour, but we're gonna keep going. What I did last time, I put two anchors away in there, and I think it was too much. So we're gonna start with one, and then I'm gonna grab another anchors away to put on top because I do want negative space. So the first color, I changed up my colors too. I do have the golden phthalo turquoise, Payne's Gray, and I'm gonna start more towards the back. Here's Sapphire. Okay, here's
whole hog kind of lady.
Here's what's called Mermaid. Okay, this is Twinkle. I'm nervous about it, but okay, fine.
Maybe just use it off the stick.
Okay.
So yeah, we're drizzling this one on because with the phthalo turquoise in the last one formed a solid layer and it didn't look great.
No, it did not look great. Now we have Sea Glass.
Yep.
But now the reason I do want to swipe it is to get the layers popping through.
Right.
You know what I mean? So it's kind of like, it's a hard to singe.
That's velvet.
Yes, I see that.
Yep.
Here,
that's fine.
Yeah, let's do.
A bit of white haven there.
Yeah. No, bottom.
On the bottom.
Yeah. And then I'll top it with velvet. Yeah, because that's gonna be our beach.
Do you want more?
Maybe more like here, so it really folds
over.
Folds over.
Yes.
All right. Now I'll go in back with the velvet.
Yep.
You know? So I just put some white cell activator here, and it's quite thick. So I'm just doing like this, just like a little bit. All right, I have to swipe towards me, that's easier for me. Ready?
Yep.
And I'm gonna go like,
Yep.
the problem I had last time, which again this time, is you don't see the dark colors, but that's pretty though.
Yep. And then I would come and do one this way.
Yeah, okay. I'm not that talented. Okay, hold on, ready? Yeah. It's a little more true.
Take it out and drizzle it.
No.
That's it.
Okay, whatever. Negative space should be down here actually, towards the dark. So I'm gonna try to go more towards that way. Yeah. All right, see a bit of blue. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Are we afraid this is too white here?
Well, that's going to get pleated over.
All right, if you say so.
That's the first thing that you're going to pleat, right?
That's true. But I'm going to do it. So the way I'm pleating is I'm not lifting it up like the way Shelly does it, because I would lose all my paint and I get a lot of air bubbles. So I'm just carefully going like this.
Letting the paint flow over and fold itself.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to start towards there. Okay, you will remove this for me.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna slowly do it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm heading towards here. Okay? And I'm gonna go really slow. Okay, tell me.
Yep.
Okay,
All right.
so now, ready? Okay, I'm like, how's that?
Beautiful.
Okay. Pleaty.
It's pleating, it's pleating.
Okay, and I wanna, last time it was too
Too
linear.
straight? Yeah.
Okay, so look, I'm doing, I don't know, is this good, what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're definitely getting some folds and some pleats.
Okay, but I don't want to go all the way
Because
I
then
want the
we've got to
negative
stretch and tilt.
space. Yeah. How's this? I like actually, hold on. There's more,
Mm-hmm.
but
Where are you going?
I don't know yet. What am I doing? Where should I put this? Is, oh, it's so pretty in the light.
You've still got stuff in there.
I know, but I don't want to.
Maybe, do you want to intersect and go that way?
This way?
Yeah.
Look at all those bubbles. That makes me annoyed, but okay, we'll go. I'll go this way. Tell me when it's pouring.
Nearly. Hold on. A little bit more.
Okay.
Come forward a bit.
Here?
Yep.
Okay.
Right. It's coming.
Okay.
Wait. Now.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
It's a very technical operation. Oh, nope. There's a bloop.
Okay.
I saw it.
All right. Let's just.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Thank you. This is these colors are really pretty. Okay. I definitely want negative. Oh, it needs to be mixed a bit. Goes pink. I like this part here. I don't want to lose it too much. Okay. So our first go, we're gonna get this towards there. So then we're gonna pull it back this way so this part stretches out. Okay? Okay.
So just until this blue comes off.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna go slower actually.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna walk
Yeah, I
everything.
don't, yeah.
Yep. Okay. All of the weight is here, so it should.
Okay, I just did
Quickly,
like this
that's
for a
alright.
bit, that's okay. Okay. Slow and steady. Yeah. Okay. It's good. Yeah. Okay. Maybe a little bit more on this side, right?
Yep.
Ooh, this is good exercise. Yeah. Okay, let's leave it there for now.
Yep.
Okay, now back this way. Now,
Towards you, or do you want to spin?
maybe I should just spin it. Ready? The twinkle does look nice.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, okay, here I go.
So if you heard that, that was all of the tins of paint that she didn't move first. And they are now on the floor. Her floor is anchors away blue.
It is.
From our first attempt.
Okay.
It's looking really good.
It is cool. I just don't want to get this too high. Do you know what I mean? But okay, I'll spin one more time. It worked. She's okay.
The look of horror on my face right now. But I'm having fun.
Okay, you did it, Betsy.
Great.
You did a good job.
Okay, now we're going to recenter it and spin a little bit more.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Here we go. Come on, Betsy. You can do it. Yes.
She's fine when everything's centered.
Yeah.
When you've got a 3 foot, 100-pound worth of paint canvas sitting on there.
Yeah.
She's like, no, she don't want to go to work today.
Wait.
It's looking much better than the first one. I
It's
will say that.
That is a fact.
Much better.
Okay, ready? Final spin. Okay, here's the final spin. I think now you can see the color. I will do a better close up, but I'm definitely happier, and it does look like a wave. So I hope you vote for us. Wait for the final close up. It's gonna be really nice. Thanks, Mitchie.
Hi.
Follow Rain and Pours. And Team Tiffany for the win. Bye.